People believed Genghis Khan had the power of a god as he made the biggest empire in the history of mankind. This empire stretched over 12 million square miles, which is more than 3 times the size of the United States. When Genghis Khan was born in the Middle Ages, he had a small lump of blood clutched in his fist, a blood clot. That meant he was destined to be a hero. He was born into a family that set him up to become a powerful and clever conqueror. He established himself as someone able to expand Mongolia through strength. Genghis Khan was born in north-central Mongolia. When he became 10, his father died. This made Genghis Khan the leader of his family. He tried to become leader of his Mongolian clan like his father once was, but they kicked him and his family out of the clan, which brought them nearly to being a refugee. Genghis started to bring groups of citizens together, forming an army of about 20,000 men. Doing so, he gained power of central and eastern Mongolia, which was controlled by the Tatars. Genghis Khan annihilated the Tatar army with skillful tactics. Every person part of his army was fully equipped with a bow, arrows, a shield, a dagger, and also a lasso. The usage of horses and arrows was a definite strength, letting them be able to take out all foot soldiers that came in their path with speed and agility. They kept organized, which was another key to Genghis Khan's success. When the army was constantly traveling and conquering land, they had ox carts pull the food and supplies. Genghis led his army in 1207 to Exia in China. That took 2 years to capture, with his bowed army. Genghis was a smart leader by borrowing the innovations of every tribe and the land he captured. He learned how to maintain the land by sparing the engineers and scientists from the land he captured. The next year later, he captured the Jin dynasty, which had endless rice fields for food. This was a superb addition to his empire because he controlled so many people, therefore, there was a need for food. Genghis Khan and 200,000 Mongolian soldiers took Khwarezmi, located around current-day Iran. They were ruthless, letting no one live. However, sometimes they would also use their defeated enemies as human shields, being the first line of attack. By capturing Khwarezmi, Genghis Khan connected the major trade areas of Europe and Asia along the Silk Road. Historians are unsure of how Genghis Khan died, but they presume his death to be in a mountain range in northern Mongolia. Genghis means Genghis Khan means universal ruler. He had a divine and spiritual status. Genghis Khan left an impact in the world by uniting nearly all of Eurasia. Doing so, he spread technologies across the continent like paper, gunpowder, and compasses. While Genghis Khan was a ruthless conqueror, he did something no man could accomplish before his time, uniting Eurasia.